Hello, Spencer with Townline Equipment, and with me in the shop today is Kubota's KX018. This is one of our smaller excavators that has gained a lot of popularity with ski areas, maintaining mountain biking trails, parks associations, doing hiking trails, and even on the residential side of things, maintaining small properties. The tilt bucket runs off the same auxiliaries as the thumb, so you do have to pick and choose which you're going to operate, but you can unplug and plug depending what you want to use that day. So if one day you're working on the trails and it's a lot of stacking stones, moving them out of the way, moving some stumps and logs, you can have your thumb hooked up. The next day, if it's time to do swales, ditches, and drainage work, you're going to unplug your thumb, put your tilt bucket on, and then you're going to hook it up. This is the controls for your auxiliaries. It's a foot pedal, left and right, depending whether we're opening or closing. Now, all of the hydraulic lines run inside the tube of the arm till here. This is where we see our auxiliary lines come out, and they go into the relief valve. On the other side, we're coming out of our relief valve, and this is where we have our couplers, whether we're going to plug into the thumb or the tilt bucket. When we're not using the thumb, it is locked in place here so it doesn't drift down on you. Even though this KX018 is somewhat laughable in size, it has all of the features that its bigger siblings do. It is a pilot-controlled machine. It has 2-speed travel. The boom on it also articulates left and right for those tight spaces along walls. Hydraulic blade. Something that this has, which is unique to itself, is extendable tracks. So these are all the way out, but you can collapse these tracks down to the width of the blade. So this would fit through a narrow doorway, or where we see it more popular, trails. If there's a barway to go through, an entry, and it's narrow, the little machine can squeeze itself and go through. If this video has generated questions on Kubota's KX018 excavator or the family of small construction equipment, please reach out to either of our stores, Plainfield, New Hampshire, or Pittsford, Vermont. For more videos like this, visit our website, Townline Equipment. Thank you, and have a good day.